I mean, in particular, a database, the more you know about vehicles and the situation, the condition of your vehicle, the better you can manage it. Be it data, be it emissions, whatsoever. And that's what we're working on. We're making emissions, vehicle conditions, everything measurable with our solutions. For example, Sindri, the diagnostic tester you've just seen. And therefore you can better manage, more sustainably manage, repair and service the vehicles. Mm-hmm. Sindri is our new service solution that puts the service in independent workshops on a new level. It offers more service for the customer, more transparency about the vehicle condition and the health, but also with that more revenue potential for the workshops. Hopefully soon. It's already available in English. The key question will be the car park that differs a bit than Europe to India, and this would be the next step after we have the launch and the market entry in Europe to go in next markets and adjust the car park. Yeah, absolutely. You can customize it to the needs of the workshops and the customer. So what you get with Sindri is first the VCI, this vehicle communication interface, the dongle I just showed. You will get the app that you can easily download in the regular application stores, and you get the report with all the details of the vehicle condition. And the report is you can tailor it absolutely to your needs, to the customer needs. So it's a great solution.
In this Automechanika in Frankfurt, what we are showcasing from Continental are these belt with the sustainability behind the story. And the target is really going forward what is innovations can create for the belt business. And the target is really going forward the future, taking care of the environment. At the moment, we are still at the development phase. It just started, and we are already using quite numbers of methods to create something sustainable and yet also towards cost effectiveness. So in the timeline-wise, it's something that I cannot share today. But once it's ready, we will definitely announce it through.